Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Sand Lake, Minnesota, a charming small town surrounded by beautiful forests and sparkling lakes. This peaceful community is perfect for a relaxing drive or a quiet day outdoors. Sand Lake was settled in the late 1800s, attracting early residents for farming and fishing. Today, you'll find a mix of small-town homes, local businesses, and scenic natural spots that reflect the area's rural charm. Whether you're here to explore the outdoors, enjoy a scenic drive, or simply take in the peaceful small-town atmosphere, Sand Lake, Minnesota has something for everyone. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Sand Lake, Minnesota.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching!